Don't let self-sabotage hold your business back. When it comes to your information technology, you may be happy enough if it works and appears secure. After that, you don't spend much time on IT. Yet you may be undermining your business success with one of these 6 ways of approaching technology. 1. Thinking it works is good enough. 2. Getting trapped in the old way of doing things. 3. Wanting to DIY to save money. 4. Avoiding complicated IT conversations. 5. Giving up on staying current with IT. 6. Expanding IT resources without a strategy in mind. Download the ebook 6 IT Stumbling Blocks Holding You Back to learn where you might be self-sabotaging your business, plus how to turn that thinking around to power business success. Replace self-sabotage with smart insights. Rank IT, hire and recruit tech experts to consult and guide you. Find out more about the benefits of working with a managed service provider.